Hey everyone, welcome back to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. I'm Mohit Minocha, and in this video, I'll be showing you our 200 square yards park facing super luxury first row in Anand Niketan. It's a 1450 square feet luxury 3 bedrooms apartment. Now let's start the video tour. This is the luxury elevation. It's a beautiful, peaceful location with a park in front. An automatic door Otis lift. Now let's see the luxury apartment from inside. A very good sized living room. This is the drawing and dining. This property is built by a very good builder of South Delhi and has a very functional and a very good sized drawing and dining room. It has very good detailing in the interiors. To enhance the look and feel, there is also a wooden feature wall in the drawing room. Now let's see the balcony. Being a park facing property, it gives a fabulous green view from the balcony. This bathroom is attached with the first bedroom, but it can be also used as a powder room. This is the luxury first bedroom with a wooden ceiling work. There's also a balcony attached and a luxury wardrobe along with it. Needless to say, all Italian marble flooring throughout the house and fully air-conditioned apartment. This is how the wardrobe looks from inside. This balcony is attached with the first bedroom, again having a green park facing view. Now let's see the attached bathroom. A luxury bathroom with all Italian flooring, a shower cubicle area, Italian wall cladding, and luxury bathroom fittings. This is the beautiful kitchen with ample storage space for your kitchen essentials. Chimney and hob are already pre-installed and all the fittings are by Hetic. This is the space for the refrigerator and luxury appliances by Hafal. The second bedroom. Again, a very spacious bedroom with a good sized closet, wooden work in the ceiling, all Italian flooring, air conditioning, and a balcony attached to it. This is the luxury bathroom attached with the second bedroom. All the bathrooms have good interior detailing, different style of stone cladding on the walls. This is the shower cubicle area and luxury bathroom fittings. Now let me show you the third bedroom. Passing through the wider foyer, this is the third bedroom. This bedroom has a full wall-to-wall sliding closet. This is how the closet looks from inside. Another wow bathroom attached with the third bedroom. It's a ready-to-move builder floor apartment with about 1450 square feet of the area plus balconies. Made by a top reputed builder, it has a completion certificate also. This is the multi-utility rear balcony. If you like this property, don't forget to like, share and subscribe South Delhi Floors. And just call 9999004511 for site visit.